Okay, so now this video is going to be how to make a count for all of these different states. We want to see which state is represented the most in March Madness. So we're going to do this. We have this all set up. We've got all of the 64 teams here. And yes, I could make a tally and I could say, all right, here's one Washington, here's one Iowa, here's one Kansas, here's a Virginia, here's another Virginia. There's lots of Virginians. Okay, or you could do it this way. All right, we are going to click on this column. You are going to go to table, pivot table. We're going to go to a new sheet. And we are collecting data from all teams, this tab, all teams, and this column, GG. And please do new sheet, not existing sheet. So create. We are going to go to rows, and we're going to go to home state. We are going to go to values, and we're going to go to home state. Look at that. We're done. It counts all of them, and it even guarantees. So we can say, hey, all of these are right there. It's in alphabetical order. And we now know that there are 7 teams from Texas, 5 from Virginia. And that's what I'd like you to do, making a pivot table. Okay? You're more than welcome to make another pivot table. I would say for the final part of this, change this tab to rename, and we can call this our states table. All right. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you today. So please complete that assignment.